iPhone SE first generation. This phone belongs to a friend. She said that it turns on, but the touchscreen no longer works, and that, obviously, it is no longer usable. She asked me if I can at least recover the data. From a first analysis, I see that in the upper right corner there is a sign of an impact. In that area, there are the screen connectors. These may have ruined the display. I try to turn it on. It turns on and the display shows the classical vertical lines that appear when there are problems with the touch. And actually, it doesn't respond to the touch, but only on the right side. The screen is damaged as I thought, but not completely, so the damage should be limited to the display. By replacing it, the phone should return to its regular state. This is the plan. First, I'll change the display. Then I'll make a full backup with the phone still open. Then, since it is still open, before completing the display replacement, I want to check something I read on the net. The front panel of the iPhone SE is the same as the iPhone 5S. By chance, I own a white one, which I bought for some experiments, so I can verify it. Finally, I will complete the display replacement. Let's see what I can do. Ciao, my name is Mirko and this is how I restore it. As always, for iPhones, I need prints for screws. I remove the pentalop screws. I open the phone with a suction cup and a plastic pick. Very gently, you have to pay attention to the flat cable of the home button. I remove the metal clip that blocks the home button connector. I unplug the connector. Now I can remove the metal bracket of the battery connector. I disconnect the battery. I remove the protection of the display connectors. I detach the display. I take the new one and connect it. I connect the battery and try to turn on the phone. The screen works perfectly. It was as I thought. I make a full backup of all the data with iTunes anyway, you never know. In the cards I leave the link to the video that shows how I did it. Now the experiment with the 5S. I detach the new display. I take the 5S and unplug the display. Now that I open it, I see that the display is not original. It is okay anyway. For my experiment, nothing changed. I connect it to the SE. I insert all the 3 connectors. It seems to work. The phone turns on, but the touch doesn't work. The display isn't good and needs to be replaced. Too bad. However, I verified that the screen of the 5S and the SE are identical. In a next video, I will also restore this iPhone 5S. I can continue with the plan. I remove the speaker metal bracket. The speaker. Now the on button. I remove the flap protection. I remove the screws of the LCD metal protection. Gently detach the on button. I'm also transferring this black adhesive ring. I place the on button. The metal bracket. Gently detach the flat of the front sensors. I try not to remove the adhesive that connects it to the LCD metal protection, so I transfer everything together. I take off the protective film. I place the metal shield, the front microphone, the front sensors, the screws of the metal panel, I place the metal ring near the on button flat. The speaker, the metal bracket, I fold the flats to orient them. Gently remove the sponge over the flats of the display and transfer them to the new one. Also the connector gasket. I plug in it to verify that everything works. I plug in the battery. I can place the display flat metal bracket, the battery one, I connect the flat of the on button, I try it, the fingerprint sensor works and the on button too, very good. I place the clip that blocks the flat, I close the phone. With some difficulty, the corners are slightly deformed. Put back the pentaloop screws. A tempered glass protection. And that's it. Time required about 4 hours of work. iPhone SE first generation. Fortunately, the problem with this phone was only with the display. A simple replacement allowed to restore the phone completely. I also managed to recover all the data that I will give to my friend along with the phone. Apple still releases updates for this device, and thanks to this repair, it can be used safely for a few more years. If you like the video, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow me on my social. Ciao!